everyone, today I have a Chanel 21K unboxing to share with you. I took a little break from YouTube. It's been a while since I've filmed, so I'm a little rusty, but I thought this was a good time to start filming again because my first couple of items from 21K just arrived. This is a true unboxing. I have not seen these items in person, only through pictures, and I'm really excited to see them, so I'm going to get right into this unboxing. So here is the receipt, and there are 2 items in here. I also have a couple more items on the way, but I could not wait to do just one video, so I'm going to do the unboxings or reveals in 2 separate videos because I just couldn't wait. So let's start with the smaller one. So it is 1 bag and 1 SLG, as you can tell from the packaging. So excited to see this in person. 21K has been a really highly anticipated collection, and there are so many things that I love from this collection. So here is the dust bag to reveal. Oh wow, it's so pretty. Okay, so here is a mini O case in the kind of gradient, I think they call it, metallic calfskin. Oh, it's so pretty. The colors are really, really pretty, and it's really puffy. And then it has the rainbow CC hardware. So cute. And this has the little CC and the zipper. And this one is 316 series, so it still has the card because it's an SLG. Made in Italy. That's the inside. Oh, it's really, really cute. I love it. Okay, I'm so glad I got this one. Yeah, it's such a pretty color combination. Okay, so that's the first item. Up to the side. All right, so I'm super excited to see this one in person too. Yeah, there were so many bags that I would have loved from this collection, but I did manage to get this one, which was one of my top choices, so I was really happy and lucky to get it. Okay, so here's the dust bag to reveal. Oh wow, it's pretty. Okay, so this is the mini Coco handle, so not the extra mini, it's the one size up from the smallest one. I guess this one, I don't know, I still call it the mini, and then I call the smallest one the extra mini. So this is the iridescent purple color, and it has that same rainbow CC hardware that the O case has. So I thought they would be a good little pair. They look nice together. And this is, yeah, the iridescent purple. Oh, it's so pretty. It's not a good day. It's very overcast outside right now, so I'm not getting a ton of natural light, but in person, this is a really pretty purple, metallic purple. The color isn't quite coming across. Kind of hard to pick it up. It's looking more silver on camera, but it's not. It's definitely a purple. Wow, it's so pretty. Okay, let's open it up. And it does have, I believe it has the leather lining now. The Coco handles for a while were lined with fabric, but now they have leather lining, and it has the little metal plate instead of the authenticity card, and this one was made in Italy. So it's like a pretty pastel purple interior. Wow, it is so pretty. I love it. So the only part that is rainbow is the CCs. So the rest of the hardware is actually silver. You can see that. So the chain is silver, and like the hardware here is silver. Yeah, so yeah, it's really, really pretty. Okay, I'm really happy with that. I don't have anything even close to this color. So I thought about, I don't know, I was open to the pink, the blue, or the purple iridescent cocoa handle, but I'm glad I got this one because this is probably a better sort of addition that will add variety to my collection. I already have, you know, a lot of pink and blue, so I think this this is so different from anything I have. Yeah, so that is my first unboxing for 21K. So, oh, I think they are so cute together. There we go. What do you think? Let me know what you think. Let me know what you got from this collection, if there was anything that you really loved. There were so many really pretty things in this collection. But yeah, I'm still waiting on 2 more items to come, so I will do an unboxing as soon as those arrive. And yeah, I think that's it. I'm gonna keep this short. If you like this type of video, please consider subscribing and also following me on Instagram. My handle there is FashionJunkie33. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.